First things first, it comes with a nice protective case. So this is a nice hard plastic casing. And it comes with 3 main jaws. You have the 3/4 inch, you have the 1 inch, and you have the 1/2 inch already installed. This thing comes with an extendable handle to give you more leverage. In order for you to extend it, all you need to do is turn it counterclockwise and pull it, and then turn it clockwise to lock it in place. My favorite feature hands down is the 360-degree rotating head. So this is going to let you get a straight shot in a tiny spot behind the shower. All you need to do is spin the head until you get the perfect angle and you're good to go. And this is compatible with Viega copper fittings, ProPress, elk hard, and Connex pipe fittings. So in order for you to replace the heads, all you need to do is just open this a little, and then you should be able to press this to open it. And let me go ahead and show you the back side of it. And here, all you need to do is press this to loosen this grip right here, and also do it on the other side. And to put it back, all you need to do is just press this thing and put it in place. Okay, so let me show you quickly how this thing works. So this is the 3/4 size, and I have a 3/4 fitting right here. So the way it works is, if you see this fitting right here, that actually goes to this part right here in the middle. If you look here, it actually fits properly. And once you press it, this is going to close it and make a tight fitting. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to insert this completely to here. So if you look here, you want to make sure that you insert it completely. So that's going to be right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and push it. Make sure you push it properly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this thing here just to make sure that this thing doesn't move when I'm doing the press fitting. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this thing fit right here and then close this thing. And you want to twist this counterclockwise. Extend the handle. You see that? I'm gonna do the same thing on this one. And do it like that. And let me go ahead and make sure that I have this thing fitted properly. Okay, now that I have that, all I need to do is press it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this. And you want to let it click. Okay, so once you got it completely, you can release it. And let me go ahead and take this thing out. And I'm not sure if you can see that. You want to make sure that both sides will have those little indentation right there. Okay, so once you have those, you see that all the sides have the indentation. So once you have that, you know that you have a proper press. Okay, so this thing is not going to move anymore. Okay, so here's my pros and cons. Number one is the price. It is so much cheaper than the electric version, and you can beat the value. When you rent a professional tool, you will easily spend $80 to $150. That's basically the price of this unit. Second, you don't need to do any maintenance. No battery charging, no weird calibration cost. It just sits there until you need it. Third is, you got a reliable seal that is ready to use instantly. The connection quality is just as good as the expensive tools. Peace of mind is priceless. So for the cons, this is actually a heavy item, plus you have a really long handle. So you need a ton of clearance to be able to work on this. If you're working deep in a cabinet or a super tight wall cavity, then you might be out of luck. Second is, this is gonna give you an arm workout. So if you do 20 or 30 crimps in a row, for sure you're going to feel this. So this is really best for a small to medium project, not a huge commercial job. So for a DIYer or typical homeowner that just wants to have something that they can use for home or maybe for their friends, then this is a really great tool. Bottom line, if you're tired of soldering, or maybe you don't want to solder because of fire risk, and you want a professional, safe result without dropping 4 figures on an electric tool, then you can get this IWS-1632AF. This is a perfect entry point into press technology for serious DIYer and homeowner, or maybe a small contractor who don't need a high volume solution.